In the basics of cleaning, a new employee familiarizes themselves with the fundamentals of cleaning work. Let's take a closer look at what visual content means and how it can be accessed using a browser and, if necessary, with a personal smartphone. Initially, there are instructions on how it is recommended to browse the content and learn new things. The user can rotate a 360-degree view of the space and, if needed, zoom in. Colorful active points open up a brief introduction and learning objectives. There are a total of 9 content topics or sections, which can also be displayed through the menu. From the Cleaning Tools active point, the objectives, significance, and the actual link to visual content are revealed. Click on it. A new tab opens, allowing you to view the tools in a carousel-like fashion. This also helps people who are not yet familiar with the tools or do not know their correct finish terms. Images aid in understanding language challenges. A more detailed description of the tools is available for each active point. Return to the main view. Let's take a look at perspectives on cleaning sanitary facilities. Open the content and see a typical restroom. There is a short video for each work step. The workers can watch all the steps for each task, or watch only what is currently needed. They can take quizzes to test themselves later. Normally, you can proceed in numerical order, which is also the work order. The user gains a visual understanding of the job. They are shown how the work is done. Subtitles in different languages support learning by drawing attention to the essential points. Return to the main view. Finally, the user can take quizzes and receive a participation certificate with points. All performance attempts are visible to supervisors if needed. The basics of cleaning are available in Finnish, English, Estonian, and French. You can share the content directly with the user using a link, for example as part of initial training and later as continuous support in their work. This is a brief introduction to the content. If you have any questions, we are happy to help. The content is customizable, and we also create special content as per your preferences. Contact us for more information.